All right, a little bit of debugging later, I discovered what was wrong. In the clear zero section, I had an if statement here that said something to the effect of if the clear xy was a 0, then do all this stuff. It turns out that's actually not what I want. I want to go through everything and make sure that they're cleared out. I was only clearing out zeros before, like zeros themselves, not everything adjacent to a 0. I did have to add in another thing to make sure that I didn't run into an infinite loop when I did that, which is this thing here. In each of these things, where I'm checking to make sure it's within the boundaries, I also need to make sure that that button is enabled, because otherwise there's a possibility of going back and forth between two zeros. So notice this is x minus 1, y minus 1, just like the counts down here. I ended up having to add that if statement into each of the various ones in the clear zero section. For debugging, I brought the mines down to 5 mines just to make sure it worked. And let's see. There we go. You win. So now I can pump this back up to 30 and have a lot more fun with it. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how to do Minesweeper, reset buttons, how to do the recursion, which is down here, clear zeros, where you actually call clear zeros over and over again on itself, with this base case of if its size is 0, it returns. Has the pop-up message, JOption pane, which is just fine for the dialog. Reset button works, and away we go. If you want to do extra credit, you could always do things like marking mines and having a timer in, but that's the basics of it.